Welcome back to Bareback Garage. On this episode, we get stuck into the GU Patrol Project Grandpa. I have a bit of a list that I have to get done on this patrol before I can get it sold so I can start the next project. I think the first thing that I'll do is fix this the fuel gauge release lever. It doesn't, oh, there it is there, sorry. It's stuffed and I can't open the fuel door at all. So, unless I push it open. So I think that's going to be the first thing I get sorted out, just because you got to pull all the interior out to do it, which I'm not looking forward to doing. So I'll just jump into it and get back to you when it's done. As I was saying before, you got to pull a fair bit of the interior out. So you got to get those two panels out there, and then all the way out on the front. Out under here, and then all up under there is going to be undone. It's a bit of a pain to fish the cable through, so I'll get that put back in next and get back to you when I finish that. Now that I've got all the back together, I'll get in and give this a good clean out. Got the fuel flat working properly now, and it just needs a good clean. Before I put the rear seats in, give it a shampoo, so I'll get stuck into that and get back to you as soon as I get that sorted. Well, I pulled all the seats out and got in and cleaned all the carpet. It's come up not too bad for something that's 20 plus years old. Yeah, so I've got all these trims now to stick in, so I might throw you on a bit of a time lapse or something like that anyway, if my wife can work it out, and get all that sorted. So I just gotta run through the speaker, I guess, for the or the microphone for the head unit. As you can see up there, none of that's in at the moment, so I just got to run all that through and get all that fascia put back in, and then just tidy up some wires up under the dash, and then that should all be back together. Get onto it. now that I've pulled that cord through, we'll get all that plugged in and put all this dash back together. And it'll finish off another little bit for me. Now, one thing's good with these little aftermarket plugs, just all plug and play. Don't go cutting wires. Doesn't cost a lot to buy them. There's like 40 or 50 bucks for both sides. Just makes life easier. There's no thinking. Well, at least that's all back together now. Now I can continue on getting the seats all cleaned up. Now I've changed my mind on, what seats are going in this thing, because since I started recording it, got to put that panel in still. Since I started recording, I've sold the vehicle, so, and the new buyer's happy with just some cloth trim in it. So I'll go get those seats cleaned up. I'm not going to show you what to do there because there's heaps of channels out there showing you how to clean seats. So we'll go clean them up and get them in next. One thing I did forget to do is I need to replace the rear door speakers, as they're absolutely buggered. So I thought I'd throw some new second-hand ones in that I've got floating around here as partnering up patrols. I end up with heaps of speakers, so I'll get this door card removed and throw a new speaker in, I guess. One thing I would advise, there's a screw down in that handle. Make sure you get that undone first before pulling it apart. I see heaps of them that are all broken out due to not undoing them. They're always broken, so just make sure you get that one. Make sure it's all the way out. Generally, they just pop out. Pick from the back and pops out easy enough then. Oops. And then lose a screw. Another thing too, these little screwdrivers, little thin tip screwdrivers, are really good for undoing connectors, because you can just get them right in there and pop them out without busting fingers and breaking connectors off, so they do help. As you can see, speaker is in perfect condition and probably last another, I don't know, 20 years or so, but yeah, we'll replace it anyway. check to make sure it works before you put it all back together. I've done that plenty of times and it didn't work and you go, a little wire falls off or something, just double check it. Well, now I can finally get back to the seats that I was supposed to be doing. Well, I got all the interior back in, so all the seats are done now. Don't look too bad actually for some base model seats, so pretty happy with that. The only drama is I thought I had 2 rear seats, but I don't. I have 2 driver side rear seats. So hopefully in my pile of garbage that I've got out the back, I might be able to find another one. As I think I've got a car full of them, to be honest, just seats. So hopefully be something in there. But next episode, I think I'll finish it up here today. Next episode, I'll get into the engine, give it clean, tap it, cover gasket, thermostat needs doing, and then I'll give the car a wash and send it off to the new owner. And then after that, it'll be next project. So thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.
Bad Back Garage. What are you working on now, Mitch?
My dick. Stop.
You got to get used to this.